You know what? I really love this product from New White, sodium ascorbate with niacinamide and collagen plus zinc plus roots hips. Did you know that I am a single mom? Needs to be healthy and strong, but no worries because with this New White C plus, my day is really so energetic and I don't feel tired anymore. So I'm so thankful for C plus. Day is always great and they look younger and whiter. So ito nga po pala, ang laman nga po pala ng ating New Plus ay 30 capsules. Good for 1 month na po siya. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang texture po ng capsule ni New White. So ganito po yung texture niya. So ayan. Yan, ganyan po siya, yan. And then, alam nyo ba, mas maganda po, mas mainam, mas maganda pag pinartneran nyo po ng ating perfect combo na New White is acetyl glutathione. Ayan, mas maganda po, perfect combo po ito. Kung gusto nyo po talaga maging brightening, whitening, at then, gusto nyo bang sinasabihan kayo na kung nagpapagluta drip ba kayo? So, itry nyo po itong dalawang to as in perfect combo po siya. Pero, kung ayaw niyo naman, okay lang din naman mag-New White C plus lang po kayo kasi meron na po ang ating New White ng with niacinamide, collagen, plus zinc, plus rose hips. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, ilalagay ko na po yung link nasa baba po ng video ko na to. I-go nyo na.